sometimes it gets a little rough. Sometimes life can grind on you a little bit. Sometimes the days can get long. But that's why we're here. We're here to press the reset button. We're here to press reset on the bullshit.
Let him cook.
We're here to start fresh. We're here to start fresh. Fresh. We're here to start fresh. We're here to start real fresh and new. No more of the old shit, only new shit from now on. I press the reset button, yo. All the shit from yesterday is all gone. Erased in the toilet like a bad dream. From now on, it's happy shit, it's good shit, it's real shit. I'm here to press the motherfucking button, bitch. I press the goddamn button and I get it down. I get it down when I press the reset button. Press the fucking 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 button.
I wanted to call. I just wanted to. Wait, hold on. No, it's really.
Hello?
Yes.
What's going on?
Listen, I just wanted to call. This fucking day, you know what I'm talking about? It's just not doing.
Hey. Hold the bullshit. Come over here. Come on over here.
What do you mean?
Will you come on over here?
What are you doing?
I'm fucking...
What? You sound concerned.
I have never been less concerned in my life.
Why? What are you doing?
Well, I'll tell you in 3 simple words.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, I'm just pausing for dramatic effect.
Okay, I understand.
All right, here it is. Press the button.
Press the button? I don't what does that mean? Like you're cooking food? You're gonna making something in the microwave or something?
No, you're missing the point. Okay. 3 words. Listen to me.
I am listening. Are you just gonna say press the button again?
Yeah, but this time I'm gonna do it different.
Okay, how? I don't understand.
Press the button! Press them,